using actually iron-on hem tape. And this basically is used if you want to just do a quick fix on a hem. You just fold it over, you iron, and then this irons on and it will keep your hem in place. It also comes in very handy for trimming projects like this. So you can pick these up at the store very, very inexpensively, and they're fun to have around for projects at home. Okay, so I already did the top here, and I'm just going to do the top and the bottom, and it's really simple. You just unroll it off of the card. I'm going to tuck a little bit in the back. So again, I'm going to have a front and a back to my placemat. I'm not going to go all the way around. You just stretch it out. Make sure that you give yourself enough length so that you can go around and finish it on the other side. And you basically just run your iron on firmly, and this is a permanent hold, so it's a permanent bond, so you want to be sure that you get it right the first time. And make sure that you're not overlapping over the fabric and fusing it to your ironing board. There you go. Then I'm just going to cut it. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm just going to give it an iron on the back, and I'm going to just have 4 little edges, and it's fine because nobody ever really needs to see the back of the placemat. And then do this side. I'm going to cut it a little bit because I don't want it too long. I do want it to match, so I'm going to make them the same lengths. Iron on, applying pressure. And this is the final one. Iron on, applying pressure. And you flip it over, and there you have a very adorable placemat with a little bit of embellishment. There are so many choices out there, so go on out, go to the fabric stores and have some fun.